If you want to add clean, eye-catching highlights to text in GIMP, this tutorial will show you the fastest way to do it without ruining your text. Whether you're making a thumbnail, a social media graphic, a poster, or any kind of design, this simple technique can help important words stand out instantly. And the best part is, you can do it using just a few built-in tools inside GIMP. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy design tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open GIMP and select the Text tool by pressing T on your keyboard. Then click on your canvas and type out the text you want to work with. You can adjust the font, size, and placement however you like, because the highlight effect will work best when the text is already positioned the way you want it. Now here's the important part. We do not want to permanently paint over the text itself, so we need to create the highlight on its own separate layer. To do that, go up to the Layers menu or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+N. This creates a brand new layer. Give it a name like Highlight so it stays organized, then set Fill With to Transparency. That way, the layer starts empty and won't cover anything until we fill it ourselves. Click OK to create the layer. After that, take a look at your Layers panel and make sure the new highlight layer is sitting above your text layer. The layer order matters a lot here, because if the highlight layer is underneath the text, you won't see the effect properly. So just make sure it's at the very top of the stack. Next, select the Rectangle Select tool by pressing R. This is the tool we'll use to draw the highlight shape. Click and drag a rectangle directly over the words you want to emphasize. Try to keep the box snug around the text so the highlight looks neat and intentional. If you want to highlight more than one separate line, you can hold down Shift while drawing additional rectangles. That lets you build out multiple highlight sections without starting over. Once your selection is ready, it's time to pick the highlight color. Click on your foreground color box in the toolbox. A color picker will open, and this is where you can choose a bright, vivid color. Classic yellow works great for a marker-style highlight, but neon green, orange, or light blue can also look amazing depending on your design. Pick the color you want, then click OK. Now fill the selected area by going to Edit and choosing Fill with FG Color. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+, As soon as you do that, your rectangle will fill with the color you selected. At this point, the color may completely cover the text, but don't worry, that's exactly what we're about to fix. The final step is what makes the whole effect work. Look at the top of the Layers panel and find the Mode drop-down menu. It will most likely be set to Normal by default. Click it and change the blend mode to Multiply. The moment you switch to Multiply, the text will show through the highlight color while still keeping that bold marker-like look. And that's it. You've just added highlights to text in GIMP using a clean, editable layer-based method. This is a super useful technique because you can move the highlight, change the color, or refine the size whenever you want. It's perfect for making keywords pop in thumbnails, banners, and graphic designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more GIMP tips and design tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.